Here's how to turn on or off always on display on iPhone on your device with the exact taps to use. Let's dive in. If you don't see the option right away, scroll a little. Many settings are grouped under privacy or account. First, open the app mentioned in the title, then look for a settings or account menu. Next, if you can't find it, open the iPhone settings app and scroll to the app name for permissions and system options. Now apply the change, then close and reopen the app to refresh. Then test the feature immediately so you know the fix worked, and you're finished. Tap like if it worked and subscribe to Infinity Tech for daily how-to videos.